Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you're based in the world. We are the Pipoholics from London, England. My name is Levi and it's my pleasure to take you through this presentation today. We will be visiting a currency pair where we spotted a trading opportunity. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we post these videos regular. Also, if you want to follow us on social media where we post the odd chart and update on any of the videos, the links will be found below this video. Another midweek analysis video, and this is going to feature the Canadian dollar against a Swiss franc, and I'm very excited about this setup because I think we're in quite a strong downtrend and I have reasons to believe that this will continue. I am releasing this midweek because I expect this move to occur before the weekend. What we've got at the moment is a weekly chart. So the price was in a bull market, trended sideways for some time, and then broke what would have been this support. Markets had two big down weeks. I believe we are heading for 0.734, around that number, because that's where the strong support is on the weekly. We're not there yet. If I switch to the daily, I'll probably convince you even more that this market's going lower. What I believe we have is a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. A massive head and shoulders, and this is a sort of transition from bull market, trendless, broke the support. Let me just put this in so that you're on the same page. So we had an uptrend, then it sort of trended sideways. It was trendless, broke that. Ever since we've been in a bear market, what I've noticed is what I believe is a bit of a bear flag. We've had two up days. I think what is going to happen is we're going to break this counter trend line and we will hit my target possibly next week, possibly. What I would say though is that on Friday there is some employment data out of Canada, and my experience with trading on news days with Canada, the Canadian dollar can whip in both directions. Whether it's a positive piece of news or negative, there's a good chance that if you've got a tight stop, you're going to get knocked out of the trade, even if you're the right side of the market. This might be a little bit calmer because it's against the Swiss franc. However, just be aware of it. If you're in profit at the time, maybe consider taking your profit. So on the hourly chart, we had a little inverted head and shoulders, which gave us a bit of a pop. Ever since, we've put in a trend line. What I'm envisaging is the market will come down and test this trend line. Either you'll have another pop, which will suit us, because then we can basically sell this thing higher. But what I expect to happen is maybe some sort of double top, and then you breach this trend line, and then the sellers step in. So we're not selling yet. The market could head higher in the short term. However, I think we are going to get a sell signal quite soon on this market. And I've already said the targets that we have, and I believe that is quite viable within a week. So by the end of next week, I think we would have hit the target. We're building what I believe to be a bit of a bear flag at the moment, which is obviously a bearish continuation pattern. I will be uploading other videos like this on the weekend because I'm watching quite a few different markets at the moment. There's a few things I'm waiting for before I jump in, and obviously anyone that subscribes to our channel will have access to that this weekend.